H3, I got some 23-103, got Lemon and Porter. Blacked out, gonna get my spotlight on them. Pulling to the left curb now on eastbound Lemon. Alright, driver just got back in the Mercedes. And he's pulling out now, right in front of you guys.
Well, 60 taking off, eastbound.
And making a right onto Grant, southbound. And get on to westbound. And looks like turn around the toll plaza, heading back eastbound 80.
Golden Gate, H30. Looks like we're going to be getting back onto westbound 80 from Sonoma.
And looks like getting back onto westbound 80.
H30 westbound 80 from Sonoma.
And we're committed to the bridge.
Golden Gate, H30. Crossing the bridge now, if you can let Marin and Bronze know, please.
10-4 crossing the bridge.
Come out to San Pablo and Barrett.
Exiting San Pablo and Barrett.
Richmond, Vallejo was in pursuit. They're going to be in your state now. Going to be up Florida and 33rd. Looks like it's coming to a stop at a residence. It shows like they're parking into the driveway. Drivers running northbound on 33rd. Going to be approaching center. Going to be in the right shoulder running northbound on 33rd. Looks like getting into another vehicle. H3 just got another vehicle. It's a silver sedan. Going to be westbound on center. And H3, you got eyes on the second vehicle that driver jumped into. Going to be at center and 27th. Trying to make a right in 27th. He's stopped for traffic. Just right there to your left. And continuing westbound on center. Right on Ohio.
You're any update?
And driver's pulling to the right shoulder. And H3, felony stop in progress. Ohio Ave eastbound from Carlson. Weapons facing east. H3, driver walking out, hands up, compliant. And H3, front passenger's coming out, hands up, compliant. And front passenger detained. And our original 2310 driver should be left rear passenger.
The driver, where were they at in the car?
Left rear passenger exiting, hands up. Walk back towards officers, compliant. And fourth passenger's coming out, hands up, compliant.